What's your name? My name is Sarah. Where are you from? I am from Morocco. Are you married? No, I am single. How do you usually go to work? I usually go by the car. What does your mother do? She is a nurse. Who is your teacher? My teacher is Mr. Ahmed. Where do you live? I live in Casablanca. When is your birthday? My birthday is in May. What is your hobby? Drawing. What is your favorite drink? Tea. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What does your father do? He is an engineer.